Welcome to Ask and Learn.
In this question, since the wheel rolls without slipping, so Vg1 equals omega 1 r, which is equal omega 1 multiply 0.15, and Vg2 equals omega 2 r, which is equal omega 2 times 0.15, and the mass moment of inertia Ig equals m kg square, which is equal 50 times 0.125 square, which is equal 0.78125 kilogram meter square. Thus, HA1 equals HA2. If we substitute by the values, so we have 50 multiply omega 1 multiply 0.15 times 0.125 plus 0.78125 omega 1 equals 50 multiply omega 2 times 0.15 multiply 0.15 plus plus 0.78125 omega 2. So in this case, we can get the relation between omega 1 and omega 2, where omega 1 equal 1.109 omega 2, and this equation is equation number 1. And with the reference to the datum, V2 is equal Vg2, which is W multiply Yg2 equal to 0, and V3 equal Vg3, which is equal W multiply Yg3, which is equal 50 multiply 9.81 multiply 0.025 equals 12.2625 joule. Since the wheel is required to be at rest in the final position T3, so T3 equals 0, and the initial kinetic energy of the wheel is T2, which is equal half mvg2 square plus half ig omega 2 square. So we have half multiply 50 multiply omega 2 times 0.15 square plus half multiply 0.78125 multiply omega 2 square. So in this case, it will be equal 0.953125 omega 2 square. Then T2 plus V2 is equal T3 plus V3. So we have 0.953125 omega 2 square plus 0 equals 0 plus 12.2625. So omega 2 will be equal 3.587 radian per second. And substituting in equation number 1, we get the omega 1 also equals 3.98 radian per second.